Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 18th and July 19th, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as Nelson Mandela International Day. The day was officially declared by the United Nations in November 2009. He served as the President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He also served as 19th Secretary General of the Non-Aligned Movement from 1998 to 1999. Mandela served 27 years in prison. And coming to the current affairs, the first question is, who has been appointed as chief coach of Odisha cricket team? And the options are A. Wasim Jafar, B. Yuvraj Singh, C. Kedar Jadhav, and D. Dinesh Karthik. And the correct answer is A. Wasim Jafar. Wasim Jafar has been appointed as the chief coach of Odisha cricket team. The second question is, who among the following will be conferred Mohan Bagan Awards? And the options are A. Shibaji Banerjee, B. Bidisha Kundu, C. Roy Krishna, D. Abhimanyu Ishwaran, and E. All the above. And the correct answer is E. All the above. Mohan Bagan Executive Committee have unanimously decided to confer the following awards: Mohan Bagan Ratna 2021 to the late Shivaji Banerjee and Best Athlete 2021 for Bidisha Kundu, and the Best Football Player 2021 is for Roy Krishna, and Best Cricketer 2021 is for Abhimanyu Ishwaran. And the third question is, Google Cloud announced the launch of its new cloud region in which of the following cities? And the options are A. Bangalore, B. Chennai, C. Hyderabad, and D. Delhi. The correct answer is D. Delhi. Google Cloud announced the launch of its new cloud region in Delhi NCR. Delhi NCR region is the second Google Cloud region in India and 10th in Asia Pacific. And the fourth question is, world's first genetically modified rubber plant being planted in which of the following state? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Andhra Pradesh, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is B. Assam. World's first genetically modified rubber plant being planted in Assam. Plant was developed at the Rubber Research Institute of India. Rubber Research Institute of India established in 1955 in Kottayam, Kerala. And the fifth question is as follows. Surekha Sikri passed away recently. She is renowned for which of the following profession? The options are A. Director, B. Writer, C. Actress, and D. Producer. The correct answer is C. Actress. Indian theatre film actress Surekha Sikri passed away recently. He made her debut in the 1978 political drama film Kissa Kursi Ka. Sikri won the National Award for the Best Supporting Actress thrice for her roles in Tamas in 1988, Mamu in 1995, and Badai Ho in 2018. She won the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1989 for her contributions. She graduated from the National School of Drama in 1971. National School of Drama is set up in 1959 by the Sangeet Natak Academy. And the sixth question is, which of the following organization has announced that it is going to shut down its fleet's future? The options are A. Instagram, B. Facebook, C. Mojo, and D. Twitter. The correct answer is D. Twitter. Twitter announced on July 14, 2021 that it is going to shut down its fleet's future. And the seventh question is, in which of the following country Indian journalist Danish Siddique was killed? The options are A. Pakistan, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Afghanistan, and D. Tajikistan. The correct answer is C. Afghanistan. Indian photojournalist Danish Siddique killed in Afghanistan clashes as part of the Reuters team had won the Pulitzer Prize for Future Photography for documenting the Rohingya refugee crisis. And the eighth question is, which of the following digital platform has been launched by central government to facilitate farmers? And the options are A. Kisan Nidhi, B. Kisan Bharat, C. Kisan Saradi, and D. Kisan Mantra. And the correct answer is C. Kisan Saradi. Government launched digital platform Kisan Saradi to facilitate farmers to get right information at right time in their desired language. And the ninth question is, Muhammad Yunus to get Olympic laurel, he belongs to which country? And the options are A. Pakistan, B. Bangladesh, C. India, and D. Nepal. The correct answer is B. Bangladesh. Bangladesh Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus to get Olympic laurel. He will be given the award at the Tokyo 2020 opening ceremony on July 23rd. And the 10th question is, who among the following becomes brand ambassador of COVID self test kit? And the options are A. Akshay Kumar, B. Shah Rukh Khan, C. Salman Khan, and D. Ajay Devgan. And the correct answer is A. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar becomes brand ambassador of COVID self-test kit, rapid antigen test for COVID-19 developed by MyLab Discovery Solutions. The test is developed in India and is named as Coviself with a price of 250 rupees only. MyLab Discovery Solutions Private Limited was founded in 2016 and is based in Pune. And the 11th question is, which of the following state has inaugurated SLSA, an online dispute resolution platform? And the options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Delhi, and D. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh SLSA inaugurated an online dispute resolution platform as a pilot project in three districts: Gwalior, Jabalpur, and Bhopal. And the 12th question is, which of the following state or UT becomes the first to achieve 100% first dose coverage? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Ladakh, C. Jammu Kashmir, and D. Goa. And the correct answer is B. Ladakh. And the 13th question is Gira Sarabhai passed away recently. She is renowned for which of the following profession? And the options are A. Doctor, B. Actor, C. Architect, and D. Director. The correct answer is C. Architect. Indian architect designer Gira Sarabhai passed away recently. Born as the youngest of the 8 children of Ambalal and Sarla Devi Sarabhai in 1923. Gira, who trained under American architect Frank Lloyd Wright in Wisconsin, she is co-founder of the renowned National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad. Gira and Gautam have set another notable institution, which is the Calico Museum. And the 14th question is US Navy has handed over first two MH-60R multi-role helicopters to which of the following country? And the options are A. India, B. China, C. Israel, and D. Russia. And the correct answer is A. India. US Navy has handed over first two MH-60R multi-role helicopters to Indian Navy. India signed over 20,000 crore rupees deal to buy 24 MH-60 helicopters. Indian Navy is procuring 24 of MH-60R helicopters manufactured by Lockheed Martin. The 15th question is which of the following countries held virtual trilateral exercise TTX 2021? The options are A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Maldives, and D. All the above. And the correct answer is D. All the above. India, Sri Lanka, Maldives held virtual trilateral exercise TTX 2021. And the 16th question is which of the following railway station is renamed as Benares by the North Eastern Railways? And the options are A. Mandyadi Railway Station, B. Prayagraj Railway Station, C. Kanpur Central, and D. Jammu Tawi. And the correct answer is A. Mandyadi Railway Station. And the one-liners today are PM Modi inaugurates International Cooperation and Convention Center Rudraksh in Varanasi. 108 Rudraksha at the center. Its roof is shaped like a Shivalinga Convention Center built on 2.87 hectares of land at Sigra area. The two-story structure has a seating capacity of 1,200 people. And Telangana government has decided to give 50% reservation to local students. Kerala Forest Department launched Snake Awareness Rescue and Protection app SARPA. Former President of Pakistan Manmoon Hussain passed away recently. Hussain served as the 12th President of Pakistan between September 2013 and September 2018. And ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 India and Pakistan placed in Group 2 of Super 12s. 7th ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021 has been shifted to the UAE and Oman. Tournament set to run from 17th October to 14th November 2021. And BRICS Labour and Employment Ministers meeting held under India's presidency. The BRICS Labour and Employment Ministers declaration was adopted, and ICC has confirmed a simplified points system. Teams will now receive 12 points for a win, 4 for a draw, and 6 for a tied match. A percentage of points won will be used to calculate the standings. Participating teams each play 6 series in a cycle which lasts until 31st March 2023. And Ireland's Simi Singh becomes first cricketer to score an ODI century. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.